Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will go through step-by-step process of uploading the videos onto the YouTube platform. If I wanted a new video which I have already created and after the edit, I wanted to upload the same video onto the YouTube platform, we will see how the video can be uploaded. Once you log into your Gmail account, you will be able to see there is a dotted square icon here. If you click on this particular dotted square, you will be able to see there is a YouTube icon here. You can click on this YouTube icon and a new tab will be opened. Once the new tab is opened, you can simply come to this section and you have an option to upload the video, go live and create post. I am not going through these options here. So what I will do instead is I will select your videos. If I select your videos, another tab will be opened and whatever videos so far I have created and uploaded onto YouTube, everything will be listed here. So you see all the videos which I have uploaded so far has been listed under the content. Under the channel content, you can see there are multiple options available. Videos, which is basically the videos which you have uploaded, and the shorts which you have created and uploaded. And if there is any live sessions, whatever you have done, all the live sessions will be visible here. And coming to the post, whatever posts which you have created and uploaded under the post, by selecting create post, everything will be visible here. If you click on playlist is basically you are going to categorize your videos based on which category you are creating your videos, and you are using those videos under a particular playlist. Because I have created multiple videos for Microsoft Excel, I have uploaded all the videos under Excel playlist. And if I am creating any computer hardware related videos, I will upload all the videos under the computer hardware playlist. Similarly, you can also categorize your videos according to what kind of videos you are making, under which category. You can create multiple playlists and upload those videos and categorize your videos. If I select this particular category of playlist, if you see this particular playlist, I have created this playlist and made all the videos in private. So basically, all the videos have gone into private because a year back I have created Excel videos and I just started creating the Excel videos with some audio filters and started uploading the videos onto the YouTube. But after realizing all the videos which I created having audio issues, basically it had some choppy audios and there was a lot of noise and too many issues in the audio. I thought to recreate all those videos. Basically, I noted down whatever I have done the commentary for each of the video and again did the audio recording and made the videos again for the Microsoft Excel. So all these videos have gone into private mode. So this is the podcast and this is for promotion. If you wanted to promote any of your videos, you can also do the promotion. Now let us try and understand how to upload a video. Now, as I said, we can click on this particular option, create, and select upload videos. You have an option to select files. Click on select files and select the video which you wanted to upload. This video is basically after your edit. So you have done all your captions, transition, edit, updating your audio. After all those edit, this is the final video which you wanted to upload to the YouTube platform. So I'll select this video which I wanted to upload. I will select open. It will take some time to upload the video. So you will be able to see it is trying to upload and it is giving the percentage of completion. Now there is an option to enter the title here. So what I have done is I have already noted down what are the inputs I have to use for this particular video. So I will copy the same text which I have noted down, and for the description I will select this for the description. So whatever text which you are seeing here, these are the text which is the standard settings. So these settings you can do under the settings here. So once you use this text under the standard, every time you create a video or every time you try to upload a video, the standard text will automatically pop up. There is no need to update the standard text every now and then for each and every videos. So after the updation of description, I will use the tags here. I can use the tags here, or I don't want to use the tags here. So it is up to you whether you wanted to use the tags or you don't want to use the tags. So I can use the tags under the description. Many people, you can see, they will straight away use the tags under the description, but I don't want to use the tags under the description unless it is a unique tags. There is an option to upload your thumbnail. I have already created the thumbnail for this video using Canva. So I will use the thumbnail for this video. So this is the thumbnail which I will upload, and so there is a playlist option here. You can select the playlist option under which you have created the video. So I wanted to categorize my video for Excel. Basically, I have created video for Microsoft Excel and I have categorized for Excel playlist. I have selected Excel, so done. And there are two options here. You can select yes, it is made for kids. If the video is made for kids, I will select no, it is not made for kids. And there is also an option to select whether this video is made for 18 years or above 18 years. I will say no, don't restrict my video for only for 18 years. If I click on show more, you will see there is an option to add tags here. If you wanted to add tags, you can add your tags here. So what I will do basically is I will select the tags which I have copied. So these tags, let me tell you from where I got all these tags. I have visited this particular site, rapidtags.io, and if you click on generate tags and enter the keyword Microsoft Excel, you will see that there are so many tags which it has automatically generated. I have copied the same tags whichever I have updated here. And these are the default settings. No need to do any changes over here unless there is some specific settings you wanted to change. I will leave everything as default. And Shorts remixing, I will say don't allow remixing. And category, this video falls under science and technology, so I'll select the category as science and technology. You can select whichever category you wanted based on the video which you have created, whether it is for blogging, whether it is for video log, or whether it is for finance, education, entertainment, music. So a lot of options are available under category. You can choose any one of the category for which your video is made for. And I will click on next. If you click back again, let me check if I have missed any points. Okay. So click on next, and there is also an option to add cards and end video. You can add end screen video by clicking on add here and select element and select the video and choose a specific video which you wanted the user to watch. Basically, end video is the video which is shown in the end, and after watching the main video, you are prompting the user to click on the next video which you have selected. So I will select a particular video which is related to the Excel itself. So I'll select one of the video for the user to watch after watching the main video. You can click on the play button here and see how the end video will be displayed. So I don't want this particular end video to start at this time. So I'll decrease the time for the end video to be shown. So I'll select. So it will show at the end instead of showing in the middle of the video itself. So when there is an important content and user is watching some important information from your video and suddenly a end video pops up, it will be a disturbing. So I have selected the timeline for this end video in such a way that it is not going to interrupt the user's experience of watching your main video. So I'll select save. So the end screen has been added. I can even go and edit if I don't want the end video to be appearing, or if I want to change some other video at the end. I'll click on next and click next again. Make the video to be private. If you make the video private, it will not be visible to the public. And once you decided you wanted to make the video to be public, you can anyway come and edit and you can make the video as public. I'll select public, or else there is also an option to schedule the video. So what I will do is I will schedule the video on 6th February 18th. So basically I have scheduled the video on 6th of February for 6th of February at 18. So I'll click on schedule. I'll close. Now you can come to the content and you see whatever the video which we have uploaded, it has been scheduled on 6th of February under the content. If I wanted to change the schedule, I can come here, edit the video, and I can change the schedule. I can choose any date and time for which this particular video has to be scheduled. So let it be like that. or you can also make this video as public straight away. So if you click on public, this particular video will be available for public view right away. I will and by mistake, if you have not added the video to your playlist, you can come and select to the playlist. If I selected some other playlist, and for example, if I have selected this playlist, and if I wanted to make the video to be part of Excel playlist, I can select the correct playlist and click on save here. And if you wanted to change the tags, you can always come and edit the video and change the tags. So there are multiple options available even after uploading the video. If you wanted to edit the video details or the title, then you can simply edit like Excel tutorial. I will add some text here. I can save. So now the text has been updated. So similarly, you can make any changes even after uploading your video. Hope it is clear now how to upload the video onto the YouTube platform. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Take care.